Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial, how to enter data into your metric dashboard. To enter data into your metric dashboard, you have to go to your metric dashboard module, choose dashboards. Then you will have to find your metric dashboard and click on it. And here you can see the title of the dashboard, owner of the dashboard. On the left side, you will see all the metrics that you will be collecting data for. And these metrics can be also sorted by groups. Here you will see that you can enter data either just directly into your dashboard just by clicking in, or you can also use the spreadsheet view. And I will show you that shortly. And here you can see that we are collecting our data weekly, but you have an option to choose daily, monthly, quarterly, and yearly also. And here you see that we are in a 34th week, 2019, and here you will see the week 34 highlighted. So let's get started and learn how we can enter data into our dashboard. And the first option how to enter data into your dashboard, data entry, is when you just click into the cell that you would like to enter the values. And here you will see the combination of your metric and of your org unit that you are entering data for. And here you are able to just manually input actual value data or planned data. You also have an option to check the box if there is no value applicable for this period. And you are able to also add comments. And there are also other features, but for entering data into your dashboard, you just need to work with these fields and the comment field. So let's say that I will put actual value 10, comment testing, and then I have to go ahead and save and close. And now you will see that your value is displayed in your dashboard, and you will also see with this blue button there is a comment. So when I click on it, you can see that comment right away. And the next option how to enter data into your dashboard, it is the spreadsheet view option. And it is, let's say that you would like to enter data for several weeks and then you don't want to click in each cell separately. In that case, you just choose the spreadsheet view option. And now you can see the metrics on the left, you can see all your weeks, and you are ready to start entering data. So let's say that we just enter our data. And here it's very important, you have to watch this option that you are entering data for, if it's actual values, planned values, or forecast value. Otherwise you can override data that it's already in the system. So first check this option, enter all the data you need, and then you have to click Save button. And now let's go back to our dashboard and check our values. So we first have to change the spreadsheet view to data entry. It will take us back to our dashboard. And here we see the values that we just entered. And before we finish today, we would like to recommend for the best TeamGuru user experience to use Chrome web browser. And this should be it, covering basics of entering data to metric dashboards. But if you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.